Hi everyone, welcome to Charlie's Garage. I have an excellent product that I'm getting ready to unbox and review for you guys. This is something that I've been wanting for a while. It's going to help me here at the school. I'm going to be using it for things like draining DEF tanks without having to completely disassemble the tank. They get contaminated. Students put wrong fluids in the wrong spot. It happens when people are learning. But to be honest, it's going to happen to you guys out in the field too. So they're going to find some magical way to put the wrong stuff in a DEF tank, and you're going to need a product like the EWK Oil Extractor Pump that I'm getting ready to show you. And then this is so versatile because not only can I use it, right next door to me is the motorcycle guys, and they have jet skis, motorcycles, ATVs, and this is perfect for getting the oil out of those guys and doing quick and easy oil changes. So I'm going to show you some of the key components that come with uh, this pump, and kind of what made me lean toward this pump versus some of the other ones. Right. So let's pull it on out of the box here. We got but it's in the good. All right. Nice. This is a nice, thick, high quality plastic too. All right. This guy that I got right here, this is the, I believe it's a 6.5 liter container. 0.5 liter container is perfect for the small DEF tanks and the small oil crankcases that we have on some of the smaller motorcycles and ATVs and stuff. But I do want to point out that when I was researching this, has a lot of different sizes on their Amazon store and on their website, all the way up to a 15 liter that I saw. It might even go bigger than that. I'm not sure. But when I post the links and stuff to this guy, you'll be able to see the stuff they have in their store, and you'll be able to get the size that better suits your needs. For example, if this works out well, which I know it will from talking to some other people, I'm really thinking about getting the 15 liter one also so that I can do the oil changes on our big diesel engines. When they put our diesel engines on training stands here at the school, the oil pan sits that far from the ground, and I have to get someone in here with a forklift to lift it up in the air so I can drain the oil out of it. But this guy will make that a thing of the past and make it much easier for me to do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to demo the DEF tank and then kind of show you guys, how you would use it on a jet ski, a motorcycle, and so forth. But the key feature that made me really want this one is the versatility of it. So I want you guys to look up here at the top of this right here, hand pump, right? So I'm out in the middle of the yard. I'm out in a shop lab environment where an air hose isn't reaching, or it would take me longer to go find an air hose and get everything hooked up than it would just simply to hand pump this. You have the hand pump option, but then you also have the air option for when you're in a environment like I am in here, where you have air hoses that you can bring to it, right? So that versatility alone, it's not just air, it's not just manual, it can do both. And that is the reason why I specifically went with the version, right? So the other thing, I don't know if you heard me when I took it out of the box, you can buy a lot of this stuff and it's kind of a thin, flimsy plastic. This is thick, right? This is some heavy, thick stuff here. So pretty good quality as far as that goes. So you got your air nozzle, you got the little valve at the top. So you hook your air up, then open the valve, it's going to start pumping for you. And then you got where you can pour it out, and then if you're not pouring it out, you can put the cap in place or take the cap off to empty it, right? So let's say that you are doing something that holds a little bit more than 6.5 liters, you can very easily take this to an oil waste bin or something, dump it, and then go back and get the rest. So you don't necessarily have to have the 15 liter. This 6.5 liter, as you can see, is a pretty decent size and will work on most automotive applications until you start getting into the bigger engines. So what we're going to do next is we're going to uh, hook this guy up, and we're going to demonstrate how to use it to drain what I'm going to use it for first, which is the DEF tanks. And then maybe we'll go over to the MMI side and see if the motorcycle guys will let me demo on one of their motorcycles and their snow machines and their jet skis and stuff that they got over there. This is the only place in Arizona you'll probably see a snow machine that's in this part of Arizona, is at the school. All right, so let's head on over there and we'll take a look on how to use this thing. All right, we're going to demo this guy by draining some DEF out of this tank right here. And so you can see right here, I got my air hose. Air hose connects right here on the air connection. This guy is capable of working at way above normal shop pressure, so you don't have to worry about turning your air compressor down to use it or anything like that. Make sure that your valve is in the off position. That way it doesn't start suctioning until you're ready for it to. So leave this in the off position and don't turn it on until it's time to start. Right here, you'll see this hole. This hole right here is for the big end of the big tube. It goes in there, you spin it, it locks in place. And then on the other end of this tube, you have smaller tubes that can attach onto the end of this one, right? So, and then the small tube is what can go down into your oil dipstick tube on your motorcycle, car, ATV, and in this case, this DEF tank. And there's another one that's slightly smaller that came with the kit. So, I'm going to hook all this stuff up together and then we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so you can see now we got the air hose connected. The valve is turned off. We got the big hose connected to the top here. And then right here, we have the small hose connected to it. And then we have run the hose into the tank. So now we're going to turn it on and see what happens. Wow, right away you can see that fluid pumping into there. You know, it's fast. Right? And it's that simple. You just turn it on, let it do its pumping thing. And then if you didn't want to have it use the air hose, or let's say you were on a service truck out in the middle of nowhere or in a spot in your yard where an air hose didn't reach, then you got your manual action here. And you can see it pumps almost as fast as the air does because it builds up pressure really, really quick. All right, so I told you guys this would be great for small vehicles like jet skis, ATVs, motorcycles. We got our little Harley Davidson here that the motorcycle guys use for a training aid, but it's a perfect place to show you. Right here, you have your oil dipstick tube on the crankcase. You just pull it out, set it to the side, put your hose in, run it down to the bottom until it gets bottomed out, and then maybe back it up just a quarter of an inch. And then you would just turn on the machine like we did with that DEF tank, and it's going to empty this crankcase, I'd say, in about 20 seconds, if that long. And that perfect little 6.5 liter container I got would be perfect for stuff like this. Now, just imagine the time you would save not having to get this up somewhere, finding a drain pan, pulling a plug out of the bottom of the engine here. All you gotta do is plug that in, poof, pop, done, right? So this thing makes things really simple. Like I said, it's manually operated, air operated, and it comes in multiple different sizes. And I will be posting a link to their Amazon store, and you'll be able to see all the different options that they have available. This is going to make my life around the school so much easier. And I can't wait to start using it, starting with getting those DEF tanks drained and cleaned out and fixed and finding out who put oil in them. Okay. Thank you. All right. So ultimately, after testing on that DEF tank, showing you guys how easy it could go into the motorcycle crankcase and basically any small engine crankcase, small car crankcase, I'm really surprised at how, one, at the beginning of the video, this is pretty thick. It's pretty sturdy. And just how fast it took me by surprise how fast it drained. So it works great with the air pressure. It works still even greater with the hand pump. I don't think you go wrong. If you need a fast way to pump fluid and you need dual action, this is the way to go. Excellent working experience, right? They insist on quality. I'd say they got it this time. A nice product. Very, very happy with it. So I'll put links in the description and in the about, and there's also some buy cards that you might see them like right there, might see them like right there. Anywhere you see them, click on them, get this product for yourself, for your shop, for your school. I think you'll be happy with it like I am.